So students, you note down 5 words. Word 1, apartheid. A-P-A-R-T-H-I-E-D. You are quite acquainted with this word because in previous class in political science and other classes, also in modern history, this word it is mentioned. Apartheid. A-P-A-R-T-H-I-E-D. 2. Dignitaries. D-I-G-N-I-T-A-R-I-E-S. Dignitaries. 3. Jubilant. J-U-B-I-L-A-N-T. 4. Dawned. D-A-W-N-E-D. 5. Glory. G-L-O-R-Y. Glory. 6. Deprivation. D-E-P-R-I-V-A, V for victory, V-A-T-I-O-N. D-E-P-R-I-V-A-T-I-O-N. Deprivation. Demonstration. D-E-M-O-N-S-T-R-A-T-I-O-N. Demonstration. And 8. Patched up. P-A-T-C-H-E-D gap U-P. Little gap U-P. Patched up. 9. Inhumane. I-N-H-U. Inhumane. I-N-H-U-M-A-N-E. 10. Defies. D-E, for dog, defies. D-E-F-I-E-S. So guys, these are the 10 words. You have to search the meaning of these words and you will note down in the copy. Now I am going to give you 5 questions on the basis of this chapter. So question number 1. What was the significant ceremony? What was the significant ceremony took place on 10th May 1994? Question 2. What was Nelson Mandela's policy of apartheid? What was Nelson Mandela's policy of apartheid? Question mark. Question 3. Name any 3 followers of Mandela during freedom struggle of Africa. Name any 3 followers of Africa during freedom struggle of Africa. 4. Question 4. According to Mandela, what kind of person an individual should be? According to Mandela, what kind of person an individual should be? And the last question is, why Mandela thought that an individual should give priority to his family? Why Mandela thought that an individual should give priority to his family, then towards nation, So guys, I would like to discuss this question, the last question. Why Mandela thought that an individual should give priority to his family, then towards nation? This is not mentioned in your book, but I would like to share with you, because in his biography, I have gone through his biography, I have read, those who have read his biography, they know that when Nelson Mandela, he was set free out of the jail and he became the black president or first black president of South Africa on 10th March 1994. He was missing immensely his followers, those who executed his objectives, those who continuously fought or those who were fighting against British rule and for the black people. But he became nostalgic for them and simultaneously for his family also. Because for the freedom struggle, for this movement, he was continuing, and he was in prison more than 27 years, nearly 30 years. That time, his family was shattered. His family, his wife, especially his wife, she was tortured, she was humiliated. His family were tortured. They were insulted, humiliated, because they were also black along with other black people. Because during that time before freedom, black people, they used to work the menial work. They used to work as slaves, bonded laborers by the British. As consequence, Mandela's wife, she abandoned him. She had left him. She had left Mandela. In the beginning, she supported Mandela's objectives, Mandela's freedom struggle. But later on, she became tired of accepting those humiliation, tired of facing, not accepting. She was not accepting. His family, they were not accepting, but they were compelled to accept the torture of the British. But they were facing intense torture, intense humiliation. That is why his family, his wife, they abandoned him. His wife had left him, and his family was totally shattered. That is why at this very moment, in the swearing-in ceremony, Mandela, he becomes nostalgic and he is missing his fellow men. He is missing his friends, his followers, and simultaneously probably he is missing his family also. That is why he used to say in his biography and his speech, he revealed that first priority you should give to your family and then nation. You are the citizen, or you are a person, you are a human being, so you have full right to breathe in fresh air, to breathe in free atmosphere. You are free, you are born free, and you will remain free till death. This was the concept or objective of Mandela. So that is why the last question I have given you, why Mandela thought that an individual should give priority to his family then towards nation. So guys, you will answer all these 5 questions I have already elaborately described or explained before you. Hope you have no confusion. So till then, see you once again next day. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye bye.